I would say just even from the start, I remember when I first called in, looking for, well, not just dentist, my wife at the time had, some jaw issues. And I remember when I first called in and I just talked to them, and they were just probably the kindest physician interaction I've ever had. And they were just like, oh, that's very empathetic. And so just from the get-go, from the very start, they knew exactly how to react. They're empathetic. We came in, they said, hey, we remember talking to you on the phone. I'm so-and-so, and you said these things, and just were very personable. It wasn't just, oh, we want to get you in and have you spend a ton of money. It was, hey, what's going on? How can we help you? And here's the resources we have. And so for me, that was I think being personable from the very beginning, it almost avoids that anxiety.